Okay, everyone. Ali, okay, say hi to your beloved friend.
Hello everyone. Lily Bookie's house have flood and since yesterday until now the flood still increase the level. Oh my god.
Ali now on the
Wow.
on the wood, yeah, on the wood floating.
Yo, Bella, Bookie. Standing. Standing.
The feeling strange, yeah. The first time they saw many waters, yeah, in front of hers, and last night, she's crying when she saw the floods. Come on. Oh, oh my god. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Lee, you want to swim, girl? Lee? Oh, wait. Oh, this girl doing things that we cannot predict. Ooh!
Lý này. Lý này. Tỏ. Lý. Lý này. Cho.
Ali ma. Makan mau. Makan ma. Con này lại.
Có Lý mà.
Lia, macam? Ta tu nhắm bài. Lên là.
Lý.
Mà Lia ta. She just jumping, yeah, from the floating wood, and now she's crying.
Mà hay hả? Mà. Tao. No.
How okay? Okay. How smart are you?
Tỏ. Đi. Nào.
Chắc chắn tha ta.
Nó bị cào này.
Này Lia Mai.
Lý.
Cười nắng này. You can play whatever you want. Ali. Ui, có một bác lên. Ly thợ ấy. Ly thợ ấy.
We are difficult to find the safe place for the animal, like the cows, buffaloes, and the hens. And right now, my father escaped the cows to the pagoda.
Oh my
And
god.
eh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's so sad.
yeah. And the blood have in Battambang province and also Posat province in Cambodia. And I hope a few days more it will be well better than this.
Lily and Bookie stay with us.
Lyly Buki stay on the bed higher. Okay, right now I want to
Go to see the
go to
cow.
see the cow.
Yeah.
I want the world see the situations in Cambodia right now. Okay, let's go.
Ta,
Đi,
ta, ta,
đi.
ta.
Okay.
នៅមុខបានឃើញទឹកហូរខ្លាំង
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is the way to my home. Like this, it is nearly covers for all the waters. It's so bad. Over there is a pagoda, so it seems like this place is such a safety place for the villager. Yes. It's so freaking hot. Like this, everyone see that it's a bad. អូឆាយខ្ញុំមិនហ៊ានដើរទេណាឆ្ងាយពេកខ្ញុំមិនហ៊ានដើរទេ I'm so scared of this. This is the deep lake, yeah. Over here, like chạy trừ à trừ
Trừ với đằng ấy. Trừ ấy chứ. Come on.
oh. Oh my god.
On the road.
This is the road, the red lane. The way go to our home is cover.
Yeah.
We go to see my cow. We try to survive with this situation, even it's bad, but we still have a hope. We hope it's go back to its place early. I mean the waters. Yeah.
Đúng không? Bán. Liền với ăn ở đây xu thế chứ. Mau đi thôi. Lướt rồi.
It's nearly raining. Look at the sky. It's dark. Mà Ly mà. Ly. Mà bánh. Ly à. Mà bánh mà. Now my brother cleaning the place for the cow to sleep tonight. Put plieng bao nè kì toàn cây thế. It's dirty. This girl just waiting. Daddy cleaning a place for the cow. Now they're playing on the motor. Now they are heading back. It's raining. Start.
Now the climate nearly raining again.
Yeah.
And the winds blows. And to increase the flooding.
Flooding.